Welcome to Euroa House, where modern design meets natural beauty. This architectural masterpiece is defined by its large windows that allow ample natural light and provide expansive views of the surrounding area. The open floor plan connects living, dining, and kitchen areas, supporting an interactive environment. Materials range from sleek surfaces to rustic textures, combining utility with style. The living area, with its high ceilings and minimalistic decor, serves as the heart of the home, perfect for relaxation and social gatherings. Moving to the bedrooms, they offer privacy and tranquility and are designed for comfort. Bathrooms feature modern fixtures with a focus on clean lines and quality.